glad you're here today. Unroll your mat, relax your shoulders, take a slow, deep breath, and let's begin this peaceful journey. My body slowly starts to wake, like a quiet river finding its way. I reach a little higher with every breath, greeting this new day with ease. There is no hurry, there is no wait. I move with freedom and gentle grace, like a drifting leaf upon the breeze, floating softly through open space. It feels so good to move with ease, like gentle waves upon the sea, light and peaceful, calm and free, standing tall like a timeless tree. Every breath brings quiet strength, every exhale brings release. My body grows a little stronger, my heart is filled with inner peace. My arms become as light as clouds, moving softly through the sky. I can feel my steady heartbeat guiding every breath inside. When my body moves with freedom, my mind becomes so calm and clear. Slow and gentle breathing brings a sense of balance here. It feels so good to move with ease, like gentle waves upon the sea, light and peaceful, calm and free, standing tall like a timeless tree. Every breath brings quiet strength, every exhale brings release. My body grows a little stronger, my heart is filled with inner peace. Like a willow dancing in the wind, I bend without losing my ground. Strong yet gentle, calm and steady, always balanced, always found. I release my fear and tension, leaving every worry behind. With each breath I feel more open, body, heart, and peaceful mind. It feels so good to move with ease, like gentle waves upon the sea, light and peaceful, calm and free, standing tall like a timeless tree. Every breath becomes a new